We gotta do proper posture. You need to be shorter.
Do I?
I am actually taller than you, but this chair does not show it.
Do we need to get you a booster seat?
Yeah, give me a booster seat. Short kings unite. This is the one.
Just ripped it off.
What are we putting on our face in this dank ass place?
You made it rhyme. Welcome back to, I don't know what to call it. Welcome back to Mad Makeup.
Mad Makeup.
Makeup Massacre. We are well on our way to creating a bountiful cache of bad makeup videos. So I thought we'd add this one to the list.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna make a playlist. Now,
So, go. What?
you have
first.
You have some informational highways for us to take.
What the fuck is that?
I'm having like brain stroke. It's a form of nervousness. I don't know.
Of course, I had to find inspiration from other people because I have no idea what I'm doing in the makeup department. And there are two ways you can go about this, okay? First, you don't need these. They're not going to fit your eyes.
No, don't snap them in twain.
You can consider this. Here, I'll use this.
You are lip syncing me, by the way. Anime, remember?
You can either have this be the bottom of your big eye and you paint this part as the top part of your big eye. Sorry, I think I poked you a little bit in the eye. Or alternatively, you can do, let me see what she did. Or alternatively, you can have this be the, close your eye. You can have this be the top of the eye. And then it kind of just goes down here. So just whatever you prefer to do. Which way would you prefer to do your eyes? You're gonna do that one?
On the cheeks. You're gonna make my eyes red.
This is lip gloss, my man.
I don't care.
Okay, are you ready?
I am prepared. I've got the power of anime and God on my side here. This isn't even my final form.
All right, here we go. So step one, follow along with me.
Oh,
Now, I have warned you before. Do not open this eye until it dries.
me.
Stop emoting! I don't think you're aware of how much your eyes squish together, your eyelids. There's a lot of skin there for some reason. I don't know.
My eyeballs never develop behind them. That feels very thick. This is gonna be big ass eyes, but that's the point.
Now I gotta even it out.
Oh my god, yeah, that's the hard part.
This is in the way!
Get with it. Start drawing with your left.
So I do have attempt 1 and then attempt 2. And I think I like attempt 2 better. So don't look yet. Ta-da!
Kawaii!
I have an outline. Now I just have to draw the lines.
Sugly!
I feel like I would do a better job of this if you were just like laying down on your back.
Oh, here, let's do this. Camera can see, can it?
If I ever did makeup as a job, it would have to be on deceased people because they're laying down, and it's okay if I like push their nose out of the way. They won't go, ow!
Crunch it out of the way.
And the best part, they won't say anything bad about the job I did.
Yeah, you won't be around for the funeral procession.
Oh no, I'll duck out. Do you see it coming to life? Just say yes.
No,
just say yes.
I have to keep my eyes
Just
closed
say yes.
to see.
I'm proud of it.
I need to keep my eyes closed for the camera to see it. I can't see the part under my eyelid folds. Yes, it's coming to life, beautiful.
This is definitely a trust the process kind of thing. It's very hard to go wrong with this, and that might be the wrong way to think, but it's what's carrying me through this. Now I need to color your entire iris. Here are the color choices.
Stop, I'm trying to see.
That's lip gloss!
Red.
Are you sure you want to try this on your eyes?
This might turn out badly.
Get those kiss me eyes.
You know, they make this shit for faces. They should make it go for your whole fucking face.
It's not transferable, babe.
Damn, that stuff smells like candy.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
I tried doing one, you know. You're doing great.
Thank you.
This is the best you've done.
I feel like I'm gonna have a little bit of difficulty not rubbing my eyeball.
Do I need to tie you up, strap you down?
Sounds like a sexy time. Tie me up, strap me down.
You can, if you want to look, I'm pulling up the higher folds of your eyes so you can look a little bit if you want a little peek.
Oh my mama.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it looks very red.
Very
I look
glossy.
evil.
Yeah, you do. Look very evil. Painting lashes, baby. Now, open your eyes a little bit. I'm getting really close to them. Don't worry, I'm a professional. I will not get inside them.
Professional what?
Professional doodler.
Makeup doodler?
Makeup doodler.
Doodle.
Quit looking at me. Close your eye. I can't have an audience.
You told me to look.
No live
You
audience.
told me to open my eyeball
Close
a little bit.
Don't look. This isn't for you. Ta-da! Check it out. Not for you. Not for you. You looked.
I did.
Do you like it?
I do.
You liked it?
I do.
I don't see that evil eye look anymore. Yeah, it looks like you got hit and it's just bleeding out your eye. Okay, you know, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it now.
Oh, you can see it?
No, I got my eyes closed, but
It helps.
Nice.
I think you might be happier if you just leave them closed.
oh, the sidelines.
Yeah, that was a mistake. I don't know how you let me go at this without double checking my work.
Is it good shading now? Now that it's
Yes.
smeared?
Yes, it's good shading. Do you trust me?
Always, baby.
Some people never learn. Relax. Relax. You're like gonna be slanted eyes. I always think I can do this. Just so you know, this is a lot of me just kind of like staring at you like, what the hell am I supposed to do with that?
That's like half the stuff I say to you. You go, what the hell am I supposed to do with that?
I don't have the right kind of brush for this part, for the paint brush around the white eye. So
Excuses.
I am going to do what I can with what I have on hand.
And that's how we rhyme in this household.
I did do better that time.
See? You see the learning process. You see? Get it? Because they're my eyeballs.
Sorry, it took me a second. I'm hyper focused. I have a renewed sense of faith in myself.
Faith in myself. I feel like my eyes are watering a little bit. But
Uh-oh.
that might just be the lip gloss in my tear duct.
Now I'm going to add your big beautiful top eyelashes somehow.
Aren't the big beautiful top eyelashes my big ass eyebrows?
No. Wait. No. I went a little bit too crazy with that eyelash.
My eyelashes!
It just looks so pretty.
Am I fucking pretty?
Yes.
I was supposed to look cool!
You do look cool. Pretty is cool.
Oh no! I trust a girl with cool and you get pretty or cute. I get silent with you, like I'm focused as well.
Yeah.
The only thing that's missing is my tongue working.
Oh, don't worry, my tongue's working. This is just like all the times I tried to do art in school. It's just full of all my eraser marks and all my failed attempts. There's so many black splotches.
Did you learn how to go light-handed now?
No. Without looking, do you know where the tissue is? You know, I'm
Tissue.
just gonna grab out the bathroom. Hey, don't
God.
don't go grabbing stuff.
I'm trying to find it with you.
Hands at your sides. It's not up here. If it was up here, I wouldn't ask you, where is it? I need to wipe your face. Such fun couple bonding activities. Me wiping my boyfriend's messy face. You have a real problem here, honey. Your eyes are just too small. You just can't participate in the finer things in life.
Oh my, wa mo shinderu.
Yeah, okay, so
You're already dead.
is that what that means? I had no idea. You've only told me that like 100 freaking times the last 5 years we've been together. I had no idea.
Only 100 after 5 years?
Yeah, you're behind.
Yeah. You need to repeat stories like your mom and my mom.
I think I'm gonna give up following a tutorial and I'm just gonna go my own way.
Yeah, go your own way.
Yeah?
Go your own way. Make your own anime.
Much as I appreciate that tutorial, it was very helpful at first. Don't scratch it!
It's so itchy now. It's not going away. Air makes it worse.
There's no going back, there's no erasing this, there's no going over this. I don't know if you can feel it, but it's hard to do this because your pupil is on two different pieces of your face. What What the fuck happened to your eyelid? It's like I painted it perfectly and now the top half is moved over. What happened?
I don't know.
Okay, keep it closed like that. Just like, oh, there we go. When you open your eyelid, the top half, or the top bit of the pupil moves away. Close your eye the way you did. There you go. It fits like Tupperware. You know what? Pick it. Pick one. Pick one way that you want your eyes to close and commit forever. I think I did pretty good. Now, to repeat, because now I'm so confident with what I'm doing.
Don't do that.
Don't be confident.
Don't be confident. That's how we fuck up. That's how we fuck up hard.
It's too late. I'm confident.
No.
Now I'm gonna teach you how to do your own pupil. You do a line straight down the middle. Make sure that your model is committed to where the eyelid is resting. Oh my god, I did so good. This is the best I've ever done with makeup. I'm gonna make your pupils a little bit bigger, I guess, okay? I'm feeling like I'm kind of on a high now. Maybe it's like the makeup.
No, the small pupils are great. Oh no, I can't see where I'm punching. You gotta make sure I don't punch anything.
Maybe you should stop moving then.
Yeah, I'm not gonna anime fight.
Are you ready to react to your makeup?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm an anime!
Don't you think you're beautiful?
I'm fucking amazing.
Okay, unfortunately that video died. I don't know how much you missed. So let's try some of those poses again. Oh my god. Any singles out there, take note. This is exactly how you want your dating profile to look. Yes! But yeah, lift your eyebrows. Oh! Oh my god. Do you have a surprise face?
Sugoi! Can I scratch?
I feel like it looks really good from right there. There you go.
I feel like I'm making the Rock face, like he goes.
Oh, kawaii! I want to fix your eye a little bit. Hang on, let me just fix your eye a little bit. Keep your eyelids the way you want them.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit of touch up throughout the day. Oh. What do you think?
I think I'm like a pretty little ladybug. My eyes are starting to burn a little bit now that they're open. I think that you did a great job, and I can't wait to do these anime eyes on you.
You think I did a good job?
I'm sorry that you did a great job.
Close your eyes differently. There you go. You're not smiling. I'm taking a picture, by the way. Thank you, baby.
Doitashimashite.
Good job. High five. Good job.
That's your welcome.
Do you think that this is something you want to do with your life now? Maybe commit to this kind of makeup style?
Yeah, I can go to work like this.
Yes, you nailed it.
Oh my boy.